For dinner tonight, we're making lemon chicken with feta orzo. So first, I'm heating up some oil. Add the chicken thighs and heavily season them with salt and pepper. Let them simmer for about 5 minutes and then you turn them over. Heavily season the boiling water with lots of salt and then add 1 cup of orzo. Boil for about 9 minutes. Smash a bulb of garlic. Zest a lemon and cut it up into little pieces. Then you're going to squeeze the lemon onto your chicken. Grab a bowl for your orzo and you're going to add the crumbled feta cheese, the olive oil, the dill, and I'm going to substitute paprika for the Aleppo chili powder since I don't have any Aleppo chili powder. Add the garlic to your pan and then you're going to squeeze the lemon over the chicken. Then you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of white wine, and I like to use Sauvignon Blanc. Don't forget to add your lemon zest. Oh, it smells so good in here. Add the orzo to the mixture. Have your kids help you stir the mixture. Baste the chicken with its own sauce here. Plate your chicken. Here's the final product. The most important part of the entire meal is to make sure you have enough wine for yourself at the end.